What is happening? Good people. Today we got y'all something different. Y'all remember what I told y'all? I said, man, we're gonna be hollering at my band Mike with the Turbo Mustang. So that's what we doing. Got the Turbo Mustang. What body has he got on it? I can't remember what. Yeah, but that's what we're doing. We're gonna holler at him. We're gonna put I think we're gonna do an 80E and then a something else, man. But let's get in here and take a look at it. And boom, y'all see it. He got it up on the lift. Got the 60 out. This is what he's been running on his turbo car, and he's been having a lot of slippage. So we're going from the 60 to the 80. The flat disc, the flat flex plate. Man, this lift makes things so much easier. Ah, man. So much easier. We in Ford country, y'all. Ford country. Ford country. Ain't no wrong with it. We got some heat. We ain't in the driveway. We moving and grooving. What we're in, you got out back. 8.8. 8.8 out back. I told him, man, he be putting all his power down. He gonna have to get him a transmission hoop, a transmission drive shaft loop.
It's in the works.
Well, we're gonna get it, y'all. We gotta do some wiring and chasing and some stuff like that. So, because if y'all remember 4L60, gotta change up some wires in here. You gotta add another speed sensor, but I think he has an adapter for that.
Yeah.
And then what converter you went with? Circle D.
Circle D, 3600 stall.
3600 stall. Whole lot of, woo, baby. Look at that shiny. Is that a 10 inch?
Yeah.
10 inch, yeah. So the car does good, man. I'll get some footage from him doing some hits out on the street when he had the 4L60 in it. But yeah, man, we'll get it. So we back. Shout out Flare Gear. Get your Flare Gear, flaregears.com. And I'm gonna try this daggone Bluetooth, my bad. This GoPro, man. I don't never use my GoPro. I'm gonna try that. So y'all might get a mixture of the phone and a mixture of GoPro. Going in, y'all. Well, my fact it is. Hey, first time I've ever used a transmission jack. First time I ever, you know what I mean? So, he was laying on the ground, in the gravel, on the driveway. Dirt. So, doing this has gotta be so much easier. Modifications on the cars, man. It happens. It happens. It happens. You know, we got to make something happen. I'll show you what we got going on. If you look, here we go. We got a coolant line that's hitting the body before we even get it going up in there. So we got to modify, either cut the coolant line here or do a little love tapping here. Or put a bend on this. You know what I mean? If we had a set of pipes, you know what I'm talking about, the pipe that you bend with, we could put a 45, a 30, a 90, whatever on it, and get it to clear the body. So, no biggie. Just a little bit of stuff that has to happen. Look how pretty that thing is in there. Circle D, big shout out to Circle D for the 4R Lady E converter. 10M by 1.550 foot-pounds is what that says. It's a 10. There's your numbers, sticker, all that good stuff. Circle D. We got the Team Z Motorsport cross member in here. And believe it or not, my whole K member on my Fox body come out of one of these.
Did it?
The only thing that wouldn't work is this.
Steering drag?
Yep. The rack wouldn't work, so I had to do something different there. I had strange. Those were strange. I had. What are those you got?
Just some off-brand.
Okay. See the VS Racing? Yes, sir. Boogie Boogie. I want to say this is a Hummer pan. I don't know. I won't say it is though. Not sure. I'm not for sure. It wouldn't hurt. We can scoot the motor back when we need to. I doubt that we will. But because as you scoot it back, I think the tunnel gets a little narrower. So that'll put us in a different position anyway. Drag car in the making, baby. Drag car in the making. Actually, he's done had it out. It's just, you see the race stars on it. Drilled and slotted rotors. Drilled and slotted 8.8 rotors. Super slicky stickies on the back. What do you guess this thing to weigh? 32, 35, 28?
It weighs about 3,000.
3,000. Let's see what we got here. Relay. Super Probe. KM10. I'm sorry, that's the one I've been using. I suggest y'all get you one if you ain't got one, man. And no, this is not a sponsored video. But what could be happening with this? And 4L80E and Turbo and LS and Mustang stuff. What could be happening with this? Y'all tell me.
Hey, to the tank, looking at myself in the mirror, trying to paint a picture clearer of this life that I'm living. Feel like death is drawing nearer. We all going to die, can't answer the question why. So I disguise through getting high and lie to myself. Lonely and locked in the cell shit. Things could be worse, I'm alive but good health. So I thank God, even though times is hard. Rapping to myself, doing laps around the yard.
All right, y'all, we'll come back, man. We got to fight through some things. That the 4L60 wasn't in the way. Of course, the 4L80 being a bigger, heavier transmission, there's some stuff in the way that we got to get out of the way. So we'll come back. All right, y'all, it's in. We got to do some beating on it. That transmission tunnel, they don't want that 4L80 to happen. Now the fun part. There it is, stiffer, y'all.
Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon. Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
Big shout out to Swaps. He's making stuff happen around here. Big shout out to this man.
Alright, he's dropping the dipstick in, man. We done have to do some finagle-lagging. Might turn it flat. Make sure the flat side is down. I'm hitting it coming out. It's coming in.
It come out.
It's trying to. Can you not get that?
It's in, but it keeps trying to push.
Coming down. All right, y'all, we're gonna revisit. If you want, well, you can start it up if you wanted to, though, couldn't you?
I can.
We'll pull the pump back up.
I done plugged it up.
All right, we can start it up and let y'all hear him.
Let me pop it.
We just don't have the dry shaft in it, and then I gotta find a working 4.8 to 4L80 drive-by wire tune file that I could dump in his tune file.